How to make resume with AI. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a resume with AI. So for that, I'm gonna use Kickresume. Just open kickresume.com and after that just log in and sign into your account. If you don't have an account, just sign in, and if you already have an account, just log into your account. And after that, just on the home screen, just scroll down and here just click on new resume with AI, and here just tell them your name. You can also go ahead and turn your LinkedIn into your resume in a minute. Import your LinkedIn profile to Kickresume and it will create your resume in no time. So I'm just gonna enter my name here, just send, and after that they will ask you what is the most recent job title I have. So I'm gonna write data analyst, and after that they will give you these templates to choose from, so you can select any of them or you can browse. And after that you just have to go ahead and edit the details written over here according to your experience and your niche. So just one by one, just click on these headers on the left hand side of your screen: personal information, work experience, skills, strength and hobbies. So just click on them and edit the details. You can write your company name, city, title, country, etc., and you can write the period of the work that you have done on the previous company. So once you're done with editing all the details according to your experience, just go ahead and click on preview, and after that just download your resume. So this is how you will be able to make resume with AI. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.